So friends, today we are going to start with algebra, simplify and expansion. Okay, so we will take very easy examples. We will start with very easy examples so that you can understand the steps, and it will be helpful for you. Okay, so let's say our first question is, so this is the question: x plus 2, x plus 7. Okay, so very first we need to understand whenever we have a bracket between two terms, so there is a relationship of multiplication. So what will we do? We will start doing the multiplication. And how will we complete it? Very first we will multiply x with this bracket, means each time x will be multiplied by x and then 7. Then we will start multiplying 2 with this bracket, and again very first we will multiply 2 by x, then 2 by 7. And how will we do it? Let's see. From x multiplied by x is x squared, then x multiplied by 7, x multiplied by 7 is 7x. But now which sign should we write here? So we need to see what is the sign of x, what is the sign of 7. So if plus plus, then plus, means what is the relationship of sign? Plus plus plus, minus minus plus, and plus minus minus, means whenever we have same sign we always get positive. When we have same sign, it is always positive, and when we have different sign like plus minus or minus plus, it is always negative. Okay, so now we start multiplying by 2. So 2 multiplied by x is 2x, then 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Okay, and then x squared plus. Now what do we need to do here? See, here the coefficient of this term and this term both are same, means 7x is one term, so we can add them. So 7x plus 2x is 9x. Our second question is 2x plus 11, 9x plus 2. So in this situation what will we do? 2, very first we will multiply 2x by this bracket, 2x multiplied by 9x, then 2x multiplied by 2. Okay, but in the second turn we will multiply 11 by 9x, then 11 by 2. So now what will we do? We start the solution. So 2x multiplied by 9x, very first 2 we need to see what is 2 multiplied by 9. 2 9 18. 2 times 9 is 18, and x multiplied by x is x squared. How? Whenever we have same variables and we want to multiply them, so always remember, so there is a positive power. We don't see it, but we assume here is 1. So when we multiply variable, so their powers always add. So 1 plus 1, x multiplied by x is x square, means 1 plus 1 equals x square. So in this way, 9 times 2 is 18, and x square. Then multiply multiply 2x by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, and x, because we don't have x here, so we multiply by 1. X multiplied by 1 is x. Now now we will multiply 11 by 9x. Now we multiply 11 by 9x, which is 99x. Then 11 multiplied by 2, 11 multiplied by 2, which is 22. So Now, how we can simplify this expression, we need to understand. Here we have x square, and here there is a simple constant number. So these can't be added. So what will we do? Here we have x, and here we have x. So 18x square plus 4x plus 99x is 103 x plus 22. So this is the answer. So now it is your turn. Try one question yourself and tell me like whether you are able to do this question. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Question number 3. Tell me whether you are able to do this. So this is the question number 9. Tell me whether you are able to do this. Try yourself and then see the solution. So hope everyone get the correct answer. But here I am solving for you. X multiplied by x is x square. Then x multiplied by 5 is 5x. Okay, so this is the first variable with a bracket, and now we will multiply 9 by x and then 9 multiplied by 5. So what will we do? 9 multiply x is 9x plus 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 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. 45. And now again, what we can add? 5x plus 9x, x square plus 5 plus 9 is 14x plus 45.